Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through something simple but super useful: how to delete pictures on Facebook. Whether you're cleaning up old memories, removing duplicates, or just giving your profile a fresh look, this quick guide will help you do it in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture or the profile icon on the bottom menu. This takes you to your personal page, where all your posts and photos are stored. Next, tap on Photos. You'll see different tabs here: Photos of you, Uploads, and Albums. If you want to delete a specific picture, find it under Uploads. If it's part of an album, tap Albums, and then open the album where the photo is saved. Once you've found the photo you want to remove, tap it to open it in full view. Now, look to the upper right corner of the screen and tap the three dots that's the menu icon. From the list that appears, select Delete Photo. A message will pop up asking you to confirm that you really want to delete it. Tap Delete again, and that photo will be permanently removed from your profile. Keep in mind, once you delete a picture, it's gone for good, so make sure you really don't need it before confirming. If you'd like to delete several photos from the same album, you can repeat these steps for each one. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't let you bulk delete individual photos all at once, so you'll need to remove them one by one or delete the entire album instead. And that's all there is to it. With just a few quick taps, you can easily manage your Facebook photos and keep your timeline clean and organized. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe for more updated tutorials that make everyday digital tasks easier. Thanks for watching.